Hi everyone! Today we're taking a journey into the world of electric shavers, as gadgets that make our daily routines easier and add to our grooming routines. I'm here to introduce you to the top 5 electric shavers I've encountered. These machines represent more than just a shaving tool, they combine comfort, performance, and technology. Stay tuned to discover which one might be the perfect fit for you. Let's dive into the realm of the best electric shavers. Number 5. Braun Series 3 Pro Skin. The Braun Series 3 Pro Skin is a rechargeable electric foil shaver that provides a fantastic comfort and a faster shave. Its 3 pressure-sensitive shaving elements adapt to the contours of your face, while the special micro grip feature captures more hair with the first stroke. The microcomb technology ensures faster shaving by capturing more hair. Its cutting elements consist of 2 rows of thin, evenly spaced parts surrounding an independently moving middle trimmer. These grooves catch and pull more hair with every stroke, providing a quicker shave. This feature is particularly noticeable on 3-day beards. 3 independently moving cutting elements adapt to all the curves of your face, ensuring a smooth shaving experience. The 3 effective cutting system, with its combination of 2 foils and an independently moving trimmer with microcomb technology, ensures a smoother shave every time. The system is proven to handle even the toughest 3-day beards, effectively cutting both long and short hair with every stroke. You can use the Series 3 Pro Skin with water, foam, or gel for enhanced smoothness and a soft skin feel. It's also suitable for use in the shower. Number 4. Philips Norelco 9000 Prestige. If you're someone who's constantly fighting those pesky neck hairs, then this powerful new shaver brings AI into your bathroom and harnesses it to deliver an epic close shave. The rotary heads make it easy to move with your skin, and the pressure sensors alert you when you're pressing too hard or not enough. The dual steel precision blades cut at a whopping 150,000 cuts per minute, so no errant hair is left behind no matter how quickly you have to get ready. And if that's not smart enough for you, the accompanying app tracks your shaves and offers you tips to improve. What else to consider? Using a rotary head shaver versus a foil-style shaver is a personal choice. The benefit here is that there are 3 heads in one, so you theoretically can cover a larger area of your face in less time. Some users who are used to a foil shaver might find a learning curve when adjusting to how the head pivots and flexes hug your face, and some might find that detail work like around the lips and nose is more difficult with this style of electric razor. The light-up rings around the head that are meant to guide your pressure can feel slightly gimmicky if you don't pay close attention to them, and while it does take a little bit of time for it to adjust to your style of shaving, you can use the companion app to easily change the settings. Adjusting those settings without the app can be difficult. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides power to the cordless shaver without dealing with a cable. It offers a 60-minute shaving time with a first-class LED digital display. Among the contents provided to you are the electric shaver, attachable precision trimmer, first-class travel case, and power cable. The Philips Norelco 9000 series. Prestige delivers exceptional comfort and performance in your shaving experience. Number 3. Braun Series 8. Our number 3 shaver. The Braun 8 is among users' favorites for its gentle and powerful performance. This device offers users all the usage options they desire in a shave with its wireless and cordless design, ensuring freedom of movement during use. The Braun 8 series also comes with a travel case included, making it easily portable wherever you go. The shaver's blade head reaches all areas of your face comfortably with its 40-degree rotating structure. The Braun Series 8 shaver is designed to last for 7 years by designers and engineers. The Braun 8 shaver features Auto-Sense technology, ensuring smooth operation even with different beard types. The device automatically increases power in areas with dense beards. With its waterproof feature, you can even use it in the shower for a refreshing shaving experience. You can also use shaving foam or gel during use. Thanks to the new generation lithium-ion battery, it provides 60 minutes of uninterrupted shaving pleasure on a fully charged battery. In addition to the device, The shaver package includes a charging stand and a travel case. With the lithium-ion batteries inside the device, it operates continuously for 60 minutes on a full charge. Afterwards, you can easily recharge it using the charging stand, and you can also choose the 5-minute quick charge option. Number 2. Panasonic Arc 5. In the second position on our list is the Panasonic Arc 5, offering a fast, powerful, and high-performance shaving experience. The Panasonic Arc 5 provides a faster, smoother, and more efficient shave, with its ultra-fast motor and 5-blade system, delivering up to 7,000 crosscuts per minute. Its flexible 16D shaving head follows the natural contours of the skin, effortlessly pivoting independently in 16 directions, ensuring close contact with the face, neck, chin, and jawline. The advanced Smart Shave sensor detects beard density 220 times per second, adjusting power 14 times per second to ensure smooth and even results. The stainless steel inner blades sharpen to a precision of 30 degrees work, with the outer foil shaving system to easily lift, capture, and cut even thick, dense beards. The Panasonic ARC5 offers both wet and dry operation, allowing for comfortable shaving in or out of the shower. Additionally, it features an integrated ultra-sharp pop-up trimmer for detailing mustaches, beards, and sideburns. Providing an ultra-close shaving experience, the pivoting head moves to cover every contour of your face, effortlessly conforming to your skin. Its remarkably quiet operation is also notable. If you're seeking a smooth, ultra-close shaving experience with practical usability features, the Panasonic ARC5 shaver is worth considering. Number 1. Braun Series 9 Pro Plus. Introducing the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus, deserving the first place among electric shavers. I am excited to introduce the new Braun Series 9 Pro Plus, the most advanced shaver by Braun to date. The Braun Series 9 Pro Plus features 5 shaving elements and an innovative shaving head. The innovative Pro Lift trimmer is designed to gently cut your 1, 3, or 7-day beard. It allows you to shave anytime, anywhere with the world's first shaver charging case. The smart sonic and auto-sense technology ensures capturing more hair with each stroke. The Braun Series 9 Pro Plus adapts gently to your skin with its 10-directional flexible head and sliding shaving elements. The redesigned precision button offers unique precision and control. This amazing shaver offers you many advantages. You can carry it with you even during your travels, providing you the opportunity to shave anywhere. This product is suitable for both wet and dry use, offering an easy and quick shaving experience. The Braun Series 9 Pro Plus has 50% longer battery life and provides long-lasting usage with its durable and high-quality materials. Experience a perfect shaving experience anytime with the quality and aesthetic design of the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus.